You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Wednesday after fears lawmakers might not reach a budget deal led to concerns the US economy might default on its debt and also lessened the likelihood of the Fed tapering in October. The greenback ended the day 1.3509 to the euro and 98.42 to the yen. The main data released today is GDP, which is expected to rise a basis point to 2.6% in the second quarter. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Wednesday after strong consumer confidence data from Germany, which rose to its highest level since 2007, helped raise the outlook for the whole region. The single currency ended the day 1.3509 to the dollar and 0.8410 to the pound. Today's data includes Eurozone money supply in August and commentary from European Central Bank's Crowell. British pound. The pound rose on Wednesday after the consortium of British industrial released figures showing an unexpected rise in sales compared to the previous month, continuing the recent trend of strong data for the British economy. Sterling ended the day 1.6080 to the dollar and 0.8410 to the euro. Today's data includes UK second quarter GDP revisions, which is expected to show no change, and business investment, which is expected to remain at negative 3.5% year-on-year in quarter 2. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed on Wednesday, rising versus the dollar, which weakened as a result of budget fears, but falling to the stronger euro and pound. Overall data was strong, showing an above expectations rise in the corporate service prices and small business confidence, which rose a basis point. The yen ended the day 98.42 to the dollar and 158.25 to the pound. Tonight sees the release of CPI data, which is expected to rise to 0.8% year-on-year in August. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.349 with targets at 1.355 and 1.357. The downside penetration of 1.34.9, which will call for 1.3455 and 1.3425. If you trade British pound against US dollars, our preference is to open long positions above 1.6015 with 1.611 and 1.6165 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.6015, which will call for a slide towards 1.5098 and 1.5955. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 98.6 with 99.15 and 99.35 inside. The downside penetration of 98.6, which will call for a slide towards 98.2 and 97.95. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.